Literacy Waitākare has been helping adults with literacy and numeracy skills for more than 45 years. And we know from our experience that adult readers don't want to read children's books, and they generally don't want to read fiction. That's actually an acquired taste. To have the stories that our learners have written, which are the stories of their lives, was exactly what the libraries needed. And so that first year we produced 3 books. We produced 3 the following year, and then we've got 3 more to launch now.
So my name is Nina Mersep, and I was hired as a tutor at Literacy Waitākare. I began illustrating for the learners' stories after a professional development day where I was just scribbling on a piece of paper, and my co-worker noticed and offered me the opportunity. I've worked on the story by V called Extraordinary, who's a student we have who has cerebral palsy, and the story called From Banyan to Auckland by a past student of mine, Hamdullah, about his journey from Afghanistan to New Zealand with his family.
I think students always enjoy reading stories by other people who are like them. The first one is by a young Māori woman, and she's writing about her river, the Waikato. So there couldn't be anything more archetypically Kiwi than a young Māori woman writing about her connection to her river and her mountain. So that's one of the key things that Library said to us. This needs to be about our people.
I've always wanted my artwork to be meaningful, and I'm incredibly pleased to be able to help different immigrants' stories being heard.
Thinking about the role that libraries play in terms of literacy, it's not just books. It's what those connections those librarians can make. So it's not just about reading, it's about the whole connection with what it is you might need